Hey, what's up, what's up? How's it going? Here I am again. I'm gonna test this Sony TC-K670. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try one new tape, but it's some kind of, I don't know, FUJI. It's kind of chrome, but it's brand new, and I try on another deck and it's not working as I would like it to work. Let's try it again. This is source. Look at that. That's monitor. It's awful. So it was brand new. I opened it, so I suspect this is some kind of, like a copy or something. This is not FUJI, or FUJI was very disappointing. I don't know. Anyway, when I use the old XL-II, I'm getting totally different results, right? You see? Identical. And if it's not, you can always adjust the level here with the recording level calibration. Pump it up a little bit. But I think this is on the point. All right. And since you are already recording, you know how it sounds. Of course. But yeah, you have also MPEX filter when you're recording from your radio, FM radio, balance and recording knobs. You can choose Dolby BC. And this deck has two inputs, one line and one if you connect your CD directly. Of course, headphones output with a phone knob level. You can also turn off display. It's kind of neat, and it's working just fine. It was serviced with new belts. Also, the knobs are lubricated. The stuff inside is lubricated. So yeah, now it's working. So I did record one tape on it. Let me check. What did I do? Yeah, I need to wait when I do those things. You press stop and wait for a second, and then you press open close. I forgot about that. Yeah. Because if you press stop, open close, that's how it goes. Oh, this was recorded on, nah, I wanted to test this thing. This was recorded on this deck, and it sounds very good. I also tested it with because I wanted to test this music search, right, with the old pre-recorded MC Scat Cat tape, of course. So you can go on next or previous track. If you want to find this track from the beginning, rewind. Next track, of course, you just press on fast forward and it will find the next track and then start playing. I think it will find, go back a little bit and start playing. Yeah, that's what's good. Yeah. So with I try also normal tapes. It's working good with normal tapes. Of course, this is original normal tape. But yeah, press stop, wait for a second, and then open close. Yeah. Let's try to record something again on this old XL-II. I'm gonna press record. It will automatically go in the next. It will show you input level, of course, show you source here. I'll select Dolby B or C, then I'll press this, and then I'm gonna go and listen directly what I'm recording, right? And adjust my bias or level if it needed. Pretty much very good. I should also connect CD and try maybe to record something from CD, But anyway, this is more than enough, so you can see that it's working just fine. And the problem with this deck is more cosmetical. I'm gonna include this tape that I recorded. I'm gonna include with this unit, because it's good for the people to test the deck before they use their tapes. But as I said, like you see, there are cosmetic blemishes around the Sony logo, some kind of dents here, a little bit here, I think on the other side too. Let me check. Yeah, here's some kind of, you see, dent bend. Otherwise it's good. The front is nice, it's not scratched. The buttons are nice, the knobs are nice, display's large, you can see it clearly. The backlight door is working. Yeah, good looking unit. When you put it in your rack, I guess the cover will not be seen, so it's gonna look nice. Yeah, that would be it. Take care, till next time.